Assalamualaikum students. I am your teacher Ikra Sajid. We are talking about class 5 subject science. Today we will learn unit number 6 matter. So let's start our exercise. First of all, you can see on your screen this question is about multiple choice and there are 4 options of each question, but we have ticked the correct one. So let's start. Number 1. What are the 2 common properties of matter? The options are A. They have shape and weight. B. They occupy space and they have weight. C. They have shape and volume. D. They occupy containers and have shape. The correct option is B. They occupy space and they have weight. Number 2. Which one of these is not matter? A. Air. B. Sound. C. Soil. D. Water. The correct option is sound. Number 3. Iron rod is the good example of A. Object. B. Space. C. Volume. D. External force. The correct option is A. Object. Number 4. Attraction of Earth on the mass of an object is A. Force. B. Power. C. Mass. D. Weight. The correct option is D. Weight. Number 5. What changes will an object undergo if it is taken to the moon or to another planet? A. Its mass will remain the same but its weight will change. B. Both its mass and weight will change. C. Its weight will remain the same but its mass will change. D. Its mass, weight and volume will all change. The correct option is A. Its mass will remain the same but its weight will change. प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपने अभी तक NKSTV को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इसे जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि आपको आने वाले आपके न्यू लेसन्स की वीडियोस मिल सकें. Now dear students, answer the following questions. Number 1. What is matter? Answer. Anything which occupies space, has weight and resists when external forces are applied to it is called matter. Number 2. Give some examples of solid, liquid and gaseous matter. Answer. Solid. Stone, iron, building, house and table are some examples of solid. Liquid. Water, milk, cold drink and mango juice are some examples of liquid. Gaseous. Oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide are some examples of gaseous. Number 3. What do you mean by an object? Answer. An object that occupies some space, it has weight and effort is required in order to push. It is called object. Number 4. Write down the common properties of matter. Answer. All matters occupy space, volume and weight. Number 5. What is meant by the mass of an object? Answer. Mass is a measurement of how much matter is in an object. Mass of a body remains same at every place. Number 6. What is meant by the weight of an object? Answer. The attraction of the earth on the mass of an object called its weight. Number 7. Explain why the weight of an object change. Answer. Weight depends upon pull of earth. If it changes, weight of an object also change. Number 8. What is difference between mass and weight? Answer. The total amount of matter present in an object is called its mass. On the other hand, the attraction of the earth on the mass of an object called its weight. Now dear students, move to the long questions. Answer the following long questions. Number 1. Prove by experiment that matter occupies space. Answer. Matter occupies space. This means space is required for an object to be placed. A space which is already occupied by an object cannot be occupied by another object. Let us describe an easy experiment to demonstrate the fact that matter occupies space. We know that both stone and water are matter. Take a glass and fill into the brim, but make sure no water spill out. Now carefully drop a few pieces of stone into the water in the glass. We shall see that the water spills over. Why does the water spill over? Because the pieces of stone occupied some pieces inside the glass, causing the water in those spaces to spill out. Number 2. What changes will the weight of an object undergo if it is taken to the moon or to another planet? Answer. Although the weight of an object varies depending on its location at different places on the Earth or in different planets or satellites, its mass will be the same everywhere because the amount of matter in the object remains the same all the same time. Because of this, if an object is taken to the moon or somewhere else, its weight will change but its mass will not vary. Number 3. Why will this change occur? Answer. Because weight depends upon pull of Earth. If it changes, weight also changes. Now dear students, come to the blanks. Fill in the blanks and you can see on your screen the filling words are in red color. So let's start. Number 1. Objects are all made of matter. Number 2. An iron rod is an object. Number 3. Cotton are made of light matter. Number 4. Wood has heavy matter. Number 5. The total amount of matter present in an object is called mass. Dear students, I hope you enjoy your lesson. So, share this video to your friends, subscribe the NKSTV and press the bell icon button for upcoming lesson videos. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.